Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in with Arda Beauty. As you can see, I have my hair freshly washed in this lovely purple towel. And that is because I'm going to be doing a twist out tutorial today. This video was highly requested, so I hope I delivered what you guys were looking for, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Before I get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, let's get into the video. So this is how my hair looks straight out of the shower. I always start off by parting my hair in 4. So I'll part down the middle first. It obviously does not have to be perfect. And then I'll split the sections in 2. I did not detangle my hair in the shower. I washed out my previous twist out, and this is exactly like how it looks straight out the shower. I don't like detangling my hair in the shower because I like doing it with products and I can't really do that in the shower. I like using leave-in conditioner, detangling milk or spray and things of that nature to detangle my hair. So I'm gonna use this Aussie detangling spray. I usually use their detangling milk, but I didn't have any more of that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this. I'm also gonna use this leave-in treatment. I'm gonna start off by spraying this to the whole section. I'm also gonna apply this. By the way, my hair is not 100% natural because I did texturize my hair about 4 months ago. When I texturized my hair, I did add conditioner to it so it wouldn't be as strong. I just wanted my curls to loosen up a bit, and my hair was like really harsh to manage. It took me like literally 45 minutes to an hour to detangle my hair. So after I texturized it, it did loosen up my curls. It made like my wash and goes easier, my twist out, braid out even more defined. If you want to see how I texturize my hair myself, let me know in the comments down below and I will make sure to do so. The size of your twist determines how tight your curls will be. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and part this in 2. And if you want your curls to be super tight, you might want to part them in 3 or 4. I'm going to go ahead and detangle with this brush. So I'm gonna break that section up in 2, like that, and I'm literally just gonna start twisting. Once I get towards the end, I'm gonna add a little bit more of that leave-in treatment and then brush out the ends. And then I'm just gonna finger curl the rest like that. So now it's sealed. I'm gonna do the same thing with this. Once again, when I get towards the end, I'm gonna go ahead and add the leave-in treatment. I'm gonna brush it out. Keep twisting. And then finger curl. I'm gonna do the same thing with the rest of the sections. Okay, so I just finished the back 2 sections. Now I'm starting off with the front. Always detangle from the ends to your roots to avoid damaging your hair. This is all the hair that came out, which is not bad at all. I am all done with the twist. I have 8 twists in my head. Now all I'm gonna do is oil my scalp. That is a very, very important step because you do not want your scalp to be dry, okay? Like, you need that to be moisturized and healthy. That is literally the key. So I'm gonna use this organic coconut oil to moisturize my hair. I literally live and breathe coconut oil. I don't use lotion, I use coconut oil. I use coconut oil as a moisturizer for my face. I use coconut oil on my hair. This is like one of the key things that you have to have. Aside from this, I just went through like a very similar jar. I have this pure virgin, actually no, it is pure unrefined cold pressed coconut oil and is 100% organic extra virgin. I don't know how else to explain it. Like, I love coconut oil. Like, it brings glow to your skin. It makes your hair shine. It makes your scalp moisturize. Like, it literally does everything. It's an all-in-one. So everyone needs to invest in some good extra virgin or just virgin or organic coconut oil. Okay, so do that. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this good old coconut oil to my scalp. It wasn't even open. I just apply the oil onto the parts. And I try not to apply a lot because I'm gonna put a scarf on my head and I don't want the scarf to like soak up all the oil. So before I tie it, I'm actually gonna like let it breathe for a while, but if you're like doing this and go straight to bed, just be mindful to not put a lot of oil in your head. Like right now, my scalp it needs a lot of moisture. So I'm putting a nice amount of coconut oil. And that's only because I'm not going straight to sleep after this. I'm gonna let it breathe for a while, let it dry just a little bit. I'm just gonna tie it with a scarf and put my bonnet on because I sleep crazy. So I need like extra security. Make sure that this doesn't, make sure that it doesn't come off and that my twists don't fall out and look crazy. All right, I think that's enough oil. It's like dripping down. That's how I like it. Yeah, that's literally it. Like that did not take that long at all. I'm gonna tie it up and take my ass to bed. And then when I wake up in the morning, I'm gonna show y'all how it look. So stay tuned for the final look. Okay, I'm back. And all I did when I went to sleep is I put this scarf on and then I put the bonnet over it. It's been over 24 hours since I did the twist. I did them the night before last. I'm just now taking them out. Like, I did not take the scarf off. I took the bonnet off when I took a shower so I could put on my shower cap on top of the scarf. So this is my first time actually seeing it since I twisted it. Because my hair is really, really thick, it takes a while for it to dry. So I want to make sure it's like super dry. So that's one thing I'm not worried about with this one. It's been a while, so I'm pretty sure it's like pretty dry. I use this Tresemme smoothing serum to take out my twist. So all I literally do is squeeze, I rub it in, and just go over all of them. I hope y'all can see that, but there's still some left over on my hand, so I'm just gonna do that. And I always start with the back, and I just grab the middle and unravel. Okay. Some people like to fluff out or separate their twist as they go. I like to do mine at the end so I can see like how full it is and how full I want it to be, if that makes sense. I just take out the bottom too. Sometimes when you untwist it from like halfway or from the bottom, it can get knotted at the end. So just be real careful. If it does get knotted or whatever, like take your time taking that apart. I'm gonna apply some more of the serum and start with the back and just separate those curls. Be super duper gentle to avoid frizz. And the serum I used actually have the frizz control. Sometimes I just try to follow my natural curl pattern. How I separate them depends on the look I'm going for. Like sometimes I literally just separate the ends and then leave the rest. And sometimes I literally go to like the roots and separate from there. Like I said, it all depends on the look I'm going for. Don't worry too much about like the roots still being, you know, still having the partings and stuff like that, because once I go in with the pick and pick it out, it's gonna be perfect. I need some more serum. I know it looks a little bit crazy right now, but I promise it's gonna look better. So what I do after separating, fluffing it up with a pick. As you're styling your twist out, you're gonna find like some more pieces that you feel like you should separate. That is totally based on your liking. So I'm just going back in and separating them some more. And then I'm gonna just keep using the pick to fluff it up. Like, please make sure to not like literally like pick it out. You only need to do this up to 1 inch like that, okay? That's it. Not all the way out. Then you're gonna comb out all this curls that you just did. So when it comes to the middle, I like to like lift up however many I can, and then I place my comb in there and I fluff. Pick it up, boom. So now I'm literally just gonna fluff it up using my fingers. So I'm just gonna put my fingers through, right? Just like that, and shake it. This is like the key to getting rid of all the parting. After that, I'm just basically gonna fill it out and see where I can still feel some of the parts or any big twists like this one. And I'm gonna continue to separate and fluff. That's all you have to do after you take out your twist is literally fill, fluff up, shake it, repeat until you achieve whatever you're going for. So yeah, this is how it looks as a middle part. If I want to do a side part from here, all I gotta do is literally flip my hair this way. Boom. Fluff it out. You can use your pick or your hand. And boom, here's your side part. That's it. When I do a side part, I usually like to lay this down with some type of gel, some edge control or something. I usually like to put this behind my ear when I do a side part, and I'm obsessed with my edges, so I usually do my edges. So I'm gonna do all that and I'm gonna show y'all the final look. This is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys would like to see my wash and go and braid out tutorial, comment down below and I will make sure to do so. Thank you so much for supporting. Love you guys. Bye.